This video will show you how to assemble the i9. Required tools: Phillips screwdriver, Allen key, wrench, and a rubber hammer. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. We recommend performing this process with 3 persons. Place the middle side panel into the holes of the breastplate. While the other person holds the panel, use a wrench to secure the panel in place by tightening the 4 bolts at the bottom. Repeat this handling for the other 2 side panels, while the third person holds the already placed side panels into place. Put the top cooler into place. Align the holes with the screws on the top of the side panels, while the other person holds the top panel into place. Place the bolts on the screws, but don't tighten them yet. Place the door in the remaining holes of the frame and attach the bolts at the top and bottom. You can now tighten the bolts on the top plate. Remove the 11 screws from the wiring post with a Phillips screwdriver and remove the top cover. Place the exhaust fan in place and secure it with 4 screws. Then, place the wiring post between the wall panels. Make sure the side with the exhaust hose and where the cables are visible is facing outwards. Carefully lift the top plate so that the wiring post can be placed in place. Secure the pole with 2 bolts at the top on the top plate. Connect the 3 UTP cables into the connectors on the base plate. Then, connect the connectors in the wiring post. Place the cable between the clamps first before they can be connected. Repeat this process for all 4 connectors. Finally, connect the connector at the bottom of the wiring post. Use an Allen key to secure the metal door handle to the door. Place the cover caps on the screws and secure them with a rubber hammer. Next, place the acrylic door handle. Secure the 2 screws with an Allen key. Place the cover caps on the screws and press firmly. Do not use a hammer to avoid damaging the acrylic door handle. Attach the speaker wiring near the bottom of the wiring post. Then attach the cables at the top of the wiring post. Line up the holes of the cover with the holes of the cabling pole. Then attach the 11 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Before the floor can be placed, the UTP cable must be attached to the last connector on the base plate. Then put the floor in place. Finally, attach the cable at the back of the exhaust hose. You have now successfully assembled the i9. For more instructions, go to ultrasuninternational.com.